Welcome back to Generative AI 101, the podcast where we turn the baffling buzzwords of AI and generative AI into stories you'd actually tell at a dinner party. I'm Emily Laird, your guide through the tech jungle. Today, we're peeling back the curtain on prompt engineering, that secret sauce that makes AI chatty and clever. Think of it as the art of sweet talking your computer into giving you exactly what you need. Stick around, and I promise you'll be as entertained as you are enlightened. Welcome to Generative AI 101. All right, let's get started. Imagine you're in a swanky restaurant. The chef is your AI model, and the ingredients are all the data it's been trained on. Now, you wouldn't just yell, "Make me something good." At least I don't think you would, and expect a gourmet dish, right? No. You'd give specific instructions like, "I'd love a medium rare steak with garlic butter and a side of asparagus." That, my friends, is prompt engineering in a nutshell. It's all about giving the AI the right instructions to whip up exactly what you're craving. So what is prompt engineering? Well, in the context of generative AI, it's the art and science of crafting inputs or prompts that guide AI models to produce the desired output. Think of it as whispering sweet nothings into the ear of a super smart machine. The better you are at it, the more likely you are to get the results you want. Let's kick things off with a story. Yes, it's story time, folks. Have a seat. Picture this. A writer, stuck in the creative mud, needs to conjure up a compelling opening line for a new novel. They turn to AI, typing in a prompt like, "Write an intriguing first sentence for a mystery novel set in Victorian London." The AI spits back, "The fog rolled in thick and fast, cloaking the cobbled streets in an eerie silence, broken only by the distant chime of Big Ben." Boom! The writer's block is lifted and the story flows. That, my friends, is the magic of prompt engineering. So why is prompt engineering such a big deal? Why are you hearing about it all the time? Well, it's simple. It maximizes the performance of AI models. The right prompt can make the difference between a generic response and something truly innovative and useful. Whether it's helping writers craft their next bestseller, aiding customer support with precise answers, or analyzing heaps of data to find hidden patterns, prompt engineering is the unsung hero behind the scenes. Prompt engineering is quite simple. You can think of it as the art of communicating using language to achieve the desired outcome with artificial intelligence or generative artificial intelligence. So when people first started using chatbots or even ChatGPT, it was nothing more than a parlor trick, a novelty for the masses, and a mere annoyance to professionals. But then it evolved and adapted. Now, these algorithms are capable of understanding and responding to human language and intent far quicker than ever before. As it's evolved, prompt engineering has really become an incredible in-demand skill. It's almost like having a conversation with a human, except this time, you're talking to a machine. You're able to help these models adapt to new things and understand human language on an increasingly complex level. So let's talk use cases. Creative writing is one we've already touched on. But what about customer support? Companies are using AI to handle customer queries more efficiently. By engineering precise prompts, these AI systems can understand and respond to a wide range of customer needs, from troubleshooting technical issues to answering common questions. In data analysis, prompt engineering helps AI sift through vast data sets to uncover insights that would take humans months to find. Imagine asking an AI to find trends in customer feedback from the past year and getting a detailed report in minutes. That's the power of well-written prompts. So before we wrap up, let's hit the key takeaways, and then I'm going to tell you kind of where we're going on this roadmap of prompt engineering. So prompt engineering is extremely critical for guiding AI models to produce desired outputs. That's why you can't stop hearing about it. That's why it's so valuable. Prompt engineering is vital in various applications, from creative writing to customer support and data analysis. Improving your prompt engineering skills opens up a world of possibilities for leveraging AI effectively. The better you are at writing prompts, the better you are at getting something useful from these AI models. And in the next few weeks, Generative AI 101 is going to focus on prompt engineering. I have heard you. I am answering your calls for prompt engineering. I speak on prompt engineering. I've spoke on national levels on prompt engineering. I was invited to speak internationally on prompt engineering. Hooray! You got me, folks. We're going to talk prompt engineering for the next few weeks. I'm going to teach you all about the ins and outs of prompt engineering, and then I'm going to teach you how to write effective prompts. We're going to go over all the hottest frameworks. Don't you worry. By the end of it, you're going to be a prompt writing master. All right, so that's all for today's exploration of prompt engineering. If you have questions, thoughts, or just want to connect, you can find me on LinkedIn. Just look up Emily Laird and let's keep the conversation going. Thank you to all of those who are reaching out. I really appreciate it. And yes, if you want me to come and speak for your business, organization, group, department, whatever it might be, I can do prompt engineering. I can just talk AI basics, whatever it might be, reach out to me on LinkedIn and we can talk further. Until next time, stay curious, stay adventurous, and remember, you know more about prompt engineering now than you did when you arrived.